Hello and welcome to Happy Scratch Coding Tips with Happy Code Club. For today's tip, we'll learn how to use the pen blocks to create a line between two sprites continuously. The pen blocks are a unique set of blocks for Scratch that allow someone to draw lines, shapes, patterns, and other advanced designs without the need for graphical sprites. Many people who have mastered Scratch have learned how to use the pen tool to draw incredible designs and even 3D graphics. Although these are some of the absolute most complex projects on Scratch, today we'll look at something simple to understand how these bigger projects function. In this example project, I've laid out two sprites to move around on the screen, one with the WASD keys and the other with the mouse. To start, we'll create a new blank sprite. We won't need a graphic on this sprite because it will be creating a line graphic for us. The pen blocks work by leaving behind a line that is drawn from where the sprite starts and moves to every frame. If you were to use a pen down block on a moving sprite, you would see that the sprite just leaves behind a line wherever they go. Think of it like a robot arm that is holding an actual pen. The arm would have a starting point on a piece of paper and would be programmed to go to different coordinates to draw out a picture. The arm can also be told to be either on the paper or not, so it can pick itself up and draw another line somewhere else. What's cool about using a computer though is that we can erase any lines we draw right after they are finished. If we were to draw a line, erase it, draw another one slightly off, and repeat fast enough, we can make an illusion that the line is moving. This is how a pen can be used to create moving pictures seen in all pen-based projects. With that said, we need to set up our blank sprite to draw our line. Choose a pen size and a pen color for your own customization. Using a forever block, we start out by clearing any drawn lines. Then we set the sprite to go to our first character. After that, we set the pen to be down to begin drawing, followed by going to the next character. We then end the loop by making sure the pen is up so it won't draw any more until the loop starts over again. And there we go! A continuous line is drawn between both characters no matter where they move. Every frame, a line is drawn going to both characters and quickly being erased to draw a new line over and over, giving the illusion of a moving connecting line. Hopefully this will give you some idea on how the pen blocks are used in other projects, and maybe give you some ideas of your own. Thank you for watching.